Alright, so I'm about to print something on my 3D printer here that I built from parts that I found on the internet and then put together. Although I didn't design the printer, I put all the parts together. Some of the parts I actually printed myself with this printer, such as this idler here, and this end stop, and the stand for this controller, and the cover and the power switch here. So the printer is printing with a polymer plastic called PETG, which is similar to what your water bottles are made out of. And it's being fed through here, and it comes out this hot end here. The hot end gets up to 250 degrees Celsius, which is about 470 degrees Fahrenheit, about the same temperature which paper burns. And it's all being controlled by this microcontroller here, which is sending the commands to the printer to print the object. It's sending commands to these stepper DC motor drivers and driving them with about 1 amp of power. So this microcontroller is actually connected to my home network, which is receiving the designs from my computer here. So I just click print and it sends the command to the printer, and you can hear the fan start speeding up now. It's getting ready to print. What's interesting is all these designs that I have, such as this flower lamp here, are all free online. So I can go online to Thingiverse and find like a carpenter compass, for example, which looks like this. I can download it to my computer, and then I can print whatever I want. Okay, so the print's about to start, so I'll put the camera down. It's already started. You can see it moving as it prints each layer by layer, at about 0.2 millimeters each layer.